Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Dropbox using OAuth connection. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize with Dropbox using OAuth, start by creating a Dropbox app in the Dropbox Developer Console. Visit the Dropbox App Console at dropbox.com. Log in with your Dropbox account credentials. Once logged in, click on Create App. Choose the type of app you want to create based on your needs. Fill in the required details, such as the app name and permissions. Click Create App to finalize your app setup. Next, navigate to the OAuth 2 section within your app settings. Locate that app key and app secret. These will be needed for your OAuth connection. Now, open your preferred development environment. Begin by configuring your application to request authorization. Set the redirect URI in your app to a valid endpoint. This is where Dropbox redirects users after they authorize your app. Generate an authorization URL using your app key and required scopes. A sample URL will follow the format: https://www.dropbox.com/oauth2/author. Share this URL with users who need to authorize. When users visit this URL, they will be prompted to log in and grant permissions. After granting access, Dropbox will redirect to the specified URI with a code parameter. Capture this authorization code from the redirect URI. Next, exchange the authorization code for an access token. Send a post request to the https://api.dropboxapi.com/oauth2/token endpoint. Include parameters like your app key, app secret, the authorization code, and redirect URI. Upon successful completion, you will receive an access token. Store this access token securely for subsequent API calls. You are now authorized with Dropbox via OAuth. Your application can interact with the Dropbox API using this access token. Ensure you handle token expiration by defining refresh logic if necessary. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized with Dropbox using OAuth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.